Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to change name on Threads. So just simply tap on the Thread application into your device or just simply open it up. And from here, just simply go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply go ahead and tap on edit profile. And now from here, as you can see, when we tap on name, as you can see, our name and username are synced with Instagram. So guys, we need to go to the Instagram application in order for you to change your name. So just simply open up the Instagram app, and from here tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen and just simply tap on edit profile. And from here, you should be able to tap on your name and you should be able to change it over here. And as you can see, you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So after that, just simply tap on the check at the top right corner of the screen. And from here, just simply go ahead and tap on the change name. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.